I have 3 free makeup products as well, which I'm very excited. I would say purchase the hair products and then throw in there something else. They have skincare, they have makeup. Get something else that's more visible. My skin looks great or my lips look great. They have mascara, they have bronzer, they have blush. I would have purchased the blush, I think, with my next order. Now let's do makeup. So these were completely free for me. Let's do, this is pretty, Radiant Bronzer. Pink, I like that they did pink. Hair related stuff is like purple color. Okay. Oh, very nice. So that's what it looks like. Very pink. And rose gold, is it? And it's got a mirror. So yeah. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah. So that is the bronzer. Thank you, Monet. Yeah, that's, you can see that a little better. So definitely good for all over face color. You can do the contour. Bronzer and contour, I feel like contour is more pigmented. It may be more cooler tone, where bronzer is more like terracotta, like reddish in tones. IR Clinical Mascara. It sounds like it's very healthy for your lashes if it's IR. Ooh, this is nice. Very different. I don't own mascara that looks like this. Shiny and oh, this is what the one looks like. So it's got a slight curvature. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh. I'll do my makeup one day and I'll show you what it looks like on. And then finally, it is a clear brow gel. I don't wear brow gels because I have pretty thick, but the IR, it tells me that it's probably good for your hair. I do have bald spots, like right here I have like a bald spot, and I'm using natural, what's it called, that oil, oh, it escapes my mind. What is castor oil? Yeah, castor oil. I think I got it from my grocery store, but like in the beauty product aisle. And I do that. I have like a little like eyelash brush, and I kind of just go like this. What I've noticed is like the hair that I do have do come back like longer and thicker, but I'm trying to grow hair in areas where I don't have it, like where it's like bald, and like I'm barely seeing any like new little hairs. So I need something that's gonna grow hair where there isn't any. So maybe this will help. Like I won't use it like for here because I swear to God, like every week I take scissors and like trim my eyebrows. Otherwise, like I look like, I don't know, something crazy. Like what's that Muppet that had like crazy eyebrows? That's what I look like. So yeah, this is clear gel. It's got little like or like a rubbery, like a little comb. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching.